Hi friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies and you are watching Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel. This is a channel where you get daily job notifications. So please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumb icon. So today we will talk about Bajoo's learning and recruiting process. So the link is given in the description box. You can check it out. When you click on the link in description box, you can see the window like this. Here various posts are there: lead HR business partner, AVP brand strategy, lead HR business partner is content designer. Then when we scroll down, associate editorial team content development, creative content development, content writer, customer support associate, product specialist, business development associate, then customer support associate, product associate, business development associate, sound design. When we move to second page, that is this, sound design, music production, sound design, sound engineer, designer, digital artist, storyboard artist in Bangalore and Trivandrum, VFX and composing artistic Bangalore, Trivandrum. Then these posts are there. I will show you how to apply. By applying for one job, you can apply for various jobs like this. All methods are same. So click here, apply for the job. Then the next window is like this. The details are given here. For each job, when you click on apply now, the details will be given by them. Here requires a diploma or a bachelor's degree, engineering, design, art, 2D animation, 3D animation, filmmaking, media communication. 2 to 5 years of experience in relevant field is needed. Then applicant should be familiar with variety of field concepts, practices and procedures, and should rely on extensive experience and judgment to plan and accomplish goals. Then these are the details. Then what is expected from a candidate? You must read these all. When you click on apply now, you have to read this. After, then you have to fill the application form. Your first name and last name, the email address and phone number. When you apply for a job, the email ID and phone number must be active throughout the recruitment process. If your email ID and phone number is not active when they calling or contacting you, then you will be rejected. Then current city, preferred location. For this post, there are two locations, Bangalore and Trivandrum. You have to tick on one. And then how did you come by this job opportunity? Through advertisement, or you can choose any option from that. Where did you see our ad? Through YouTube, or you can select any one of these. Are you a fresher to this field? If you are fresher, then click on yes. If you are not fresher, you are experienced person, then click on no. Then what do you identify you if yourself as professionally? You can click on this. Upload your CV or resume. Your CV or resume can upload when you click on this. Then have you ever downloaded and used Byju's learning app? If you have already used Byju's learning app when you study, then click on yes. After that, you have to fill these portions, your skills, relevant show reel and or portfolio links. After that, click here the submit option. When you submit your application. After sometimes they will contact you. If you are eligible for this job, you can apply before the deadline. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box. The application link is given in the description box. You can choose any job from these. Thank you.